All right, so here we are thinking about 7-day photo challenges and kind of graphic things you can do in Photoshop with your photos. Like how would you create a diagonal line here? I'm going to show you that quickly. Based on nature will be my theme. So I'm going to open up Photoshop here. Here are a couple photos I took in the fall. I want to bring this leaf one into the other one. Click that off. Go to my move tool. I can drag that over. I'm going to position this leaf somewhere that I like. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Command T. Scale that up a little bit larger. So I kind of like the close-up look to it. I always make a copy of these things just to have extras around in case I do something I don't like. So I'm going to turn these off. I'm going to go to this one here. So how you create a diagonal line in this, the easiest way to do it would be just to go to the polygonal lasso tool. Click somewhere and then start making the diagonal line here. And then polygonal that and attach it. And you get the dancing ants, and then you can cut it. That's Control X or Command X. The long way to do it is to go up to Edit and Cut. Command or Control X. And now you've got your diagonal there. If you're dandelion, you want your dandelion pushed over here, the background image, which is this one, pulled over. See if we can move it. It's not letting me move it because it's locked. So you see a little lock button here. So the way that I release that lock button is I just double click on the layer here and it releases the lock, and now I can move the image around. So I have a little bit more creative options. I think that looks better, the dandelion off on the side here. Then if I wanted to create like a little band here, a border along here on this image here, I could just go down here into this effects button or layer styles. And I'm going to add a stroke on this in this case. Move this off to the side so you can see what's going on. I think a white stroke or a yellow stroke would look good. So I'm going to default to white there. And I can change the stroke size. And I've done that. Likewise, let's say if I wanted another section of the leaf here brought somewhere else, I can move that over here. Let's make this a bit smaller. Say if I want to rotate it, click off to the side, I can rotate the image, move it down here maybe. Let's stretch this up off the side there and hit enter. Zoom in here. Let's say if I want to cut along this edge here, just add a little bit of style to it. Just go back to my polygonal lasso, click, 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 Control X. And now I've actually created some sort of graphic look there. I could go back into the effects or layer styles and add another stroke on there. And now you can have fun like cutting out images, adding strokes to your kind of photo challenges if you want, and check out some simple graphic options in Photoshop here. And then if you wanted to, you could add some text along the side here. So you can go to the text layer, and then you could add nature. Size isn't increasing enough. You can select that. Let's go 200. Pick where you want that. And there you go.